Hey, I've seen your comments. I know it's taken me 4 months to make another part to this, but like, guys, I've just been busy on the album. Chill. Anyway, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name's Coz. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're playing, we're back at it. I currently muted, it's muted right now, but we're back. We're back. You guys loved part 1. Let's get into this video. All right, so last time we left off on 100 meters. It's been a long time since we've talked, I feel like. Dude, I hate the quacking. I forgot this quacking is so annoying. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be going right now. Up here? Oh. I'm right? Wait. I think I feel lost. I am kind of confused where I go. Am I really like this stupid? Wait, I think we found the area. I think we found it. It took some time. I think we found it though. Right there. Ooh, egg. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was okay. We got to it. Finally. Finally. Alright, next. That looks unusual. Wait, there's a sign right here. Why are there so many eggs? That's what I just asked.
Oh, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Here. Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa, that was possible? I am dig out over here. Over here. So wait, can I just do like this?
Nope.
Are you pulling this right now? Oh, they're trying to get us to learn that. We're doing like wall jumps now, or what are they called? Side wall jumps. Okay, so now you're just being annoying. But who cares? I'm still good. No way. There's no way I'm making this jump. You're telling me I gotta jump all the way to this ladder? No way. Okay, there's a way. Yep. Oh. These are so much harder than these are like they're not harder, but they're so far they're more skill is used, if that makes sense. I hate these. Okay, that works. No way! No way that worked! Clip it, chat! I'm just kidding. Now when you guys refer to me, I want to be known as the Bird Obby Pro. Bird nest, be quiet, egg sleeping. What if I'm not quiet? Which one am I supposed to jump to? That one?
No.
Okay, so I obviously wasn't supposed to go to that one. Cuckoo clock. 160 meters up. Okay. Oh, I hate these ones. Wait. Wait, now I'm confused. What do I do? Do I jump right there? Probably. And make it because I'm a goat? Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Haven't died once. If there is an edit that just popped up that said foreshadowing, I swear. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh my gosh, I did it this time. Get me on that checkpoint. Just get me on there. 1600 or 16, I mean 160. That took way too long. Okay. I see how now. What's next? That's next. Boom. Dang, already at 180. Oh my goodness, finally. Done with it. Oh, I just gotta get out there. Oh my gosh, I'm done. Done with that one. Oh! Ew! Dude! What the? Welcome to Swag Town. Yo, Swag Town. Why is nobody here? The town is abandoned. Evil Duck statue. Hey!
Yes, sir.
Evil Duck. We don't like you, Evil Duck. King Duck's crown now on display at Evil Duck's castle, located 300 meters. Okay, well, here we go. I think I'm probably gonna end the video here though. If you guys do want a part 3, let's get this video to like 15 likes. Let me know in the comments. If this is the last video I see you guys before Thanksgiving, I hope you guys do have a good Thanksgiving. Spend time with the ones you love. If you made it to this part, let me know what your favorite part of the video was. Just link the timestamp it down in the comments, and I look at all the comments. So, and also, again, we're pushing towards 400 subs. So smash that sub button. Link down in the description for the Discord. And I think that's pretty much it. Have a great rest of your day.